In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a profile picture in Microsoft Teams. Having a clear, professional profile photo in Teams helps your colleagues recognize you quickly and makes your calls, chats, and meetings feel a bit more personal. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through changing your profile picture using the Microsoft Teams web version, and I'll also share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams site. Once Teams loads and you're signed into your account, look toward the top right-hand corner of the screen. There, you'll see your current profile icon. This might be your initials in a colored circle, or a generic silhouette if you haven't set a photo yet. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu related to your account. In that profile menu, you should see a small camera icon either on or near your current avatar. This camera icon is what you'll use to change or add your profile picture. Click on the camera icon. When you do this, Teams will open a window or panel that lets you manage your profile image. Next, look for the option labeled Upload. This is the button that allows you to choose a picture from your computer. Click on Upload. Your device's file browser will appear, showing your folders and images. Navigate to the folder where your chosen photo is saved, then select the image you want to use and confirm your choice. Here are a couple of tips when choosing your picture. Pick a clear image where your face is easy to see, avoid dark or blurry photos, and make sure the image is appropriate for work or school, since it will appear in meetings and chats. Square or nearly square images usually work best, because Teams will crop your photo into a circle. Once you've selected the file, Teams will display a preview of your new profile picture. Take a moment to check that everything looks right and that your face is centered the way you want. If you're happy with it, look for the Save button in that window and click on Save. After a few moments, your new profile picture will update and appear in the top right corner, and it will start showing up in chats, meetings, and channels. And that's all you need to upload a profile picture in Microsoft Teams.